Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to start a beautiful poem, Count Your Garden. Count Your Garden. Very simple poem, very small. Only one stanza is there. Okay. So this is the poem. See the poem. Count Your Garden. Okay. See, I am reciting the poem. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. See, count your garden by the flowers. Means you have to count your garden by the flowers, beautiful flowers. So whenever you see the flowers in the garden, you feel very fresh. Okay, positive things, positive thoughts will come in your mind when we saw the beautiful garden with lots of flowers. Okay, never by the leaves that fall. Don't count the whatever the leaves that fall. Okay, don't count it. So don't do the means negative what we can say. Don't count the negative vibes or negative thought. Okay, count your days by golden hours. Golden hours means memorable hours. Don't remember clouds at all. Means count your days by happiness, not do not remember the sadness at all. Clouds means sadness at all. So count your days by golden hours, your memories, golden memories, okay, whatever you have done. So count your days by that golden hours. Remember that golden hours. Do not remember these things, sad things or clouds at all. Count the nights by stars and not shadows. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Okay. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Okay. So happy things are flowers, falling leaves are sad thing. Golden hours is again happy thing. That's why the poet is saying count your days by golden hours and don't remember clouds because these are the sad things. Stars also. This is the happy thing. And shadows, not shadows. Shadows means this is the sad thing. Smiles, again happy. And tears, again sad thing. That's why poets say count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday. And with joy on every birthday. Count your age by friends, not years. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends and not by passing year. Count your age by friends means friends are very important in our life, not the passing years. Okay, we can share our emotions, our feelings, our happiness, our sadness with our friends. So that's why poet says, count your age by friends and not years. A friend is a gift from God, someone who is by our side through happy and sad times, through our smiles and through our tears. A friend's worth can be measured when he or she displays the values of love and care and never leaves our side when we are in distress and helps us in every way that he or she can. So that are our friends. Okay. These are our friends. That's why poet is saying friends are very important. Understood? Now, you know what is the central idea of this poem? Central idea of this poem is that we should learn to look at the better or brighter side of the life and always count our blessings. What is there in the poem? The poet wants to tell that the central idea of the poem is you should look at the brighter side of the life and count whatever you got blessings. Okay, this is the central idea of the poem. So according to poet, how should we count our garden? Count your garden. This is the name of the poem. So according to poem, how should we count our garden? We should count our garden by flowers in it, not by the falling leaves. We should count our garden by the beautiful flowers in it and not by the leaves that fall. Okay. Yes. What should we not remember at all? Yes, the line is given. We should not remember the dark clouds at all. See the line. Don't remember clouds at all. So poet is saying, what should we not remember? We should not remember the dark clouds at all. What should we do joyfully on every birthday? See, it is given in the last line. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not by years. So on every birthday, we should joyfully count our age by friends and not by the years that pass. Okay. Count your means on every birthday you count our age by the friends, because the friends are there for us in every aspect of life, in difficulty, in sadness, in happiness. Okay, we can share our emotions, our feelings, our happiness, our sadness, everything with our friends. We are not hesitate there. Okay, so now what is the line? Count your life by smiles, not tears. See, very important. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Count your life by smiles, not tears. The above lines means that there will be happy times and sad times in our lives. There will be happy times and sad times in our lives. We should count our blessings by the happy times. We should count our blessings by the happy times and not by the those which moved us to tears, means sad things, and not by the things that moved us in tears. Okay. So we will do the so rhyming words of the poem. Right here. Rhyming words of this poem. Flowers are tall or tears, ears. So these are the rhyming words. Flowers are tall or tears, ears. Write down these rhyming words. Okay. So this is the poem, and it is a very small and beautiful poem. Count your garden. Once again, I recite the poem. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. So this is the poem. Now, your homework is recite this poem. Count your garden. Your homework is you have to recite your side. This is your homework. Recite the poem, count your garden. Okay, very small, very beautiful poem. So here we have finished this poem. Only one stanza is there. Okay, you have to recite and write down the right words. This is the fall, not fall. Flowers, are fall, all. Tears, ears. Only 3 rhyming words are there. Fall, all. Flowers, are fall, all. Tears and ears. So write down this and recite the poem. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start the question answers of this poem. Understood? Okay, bye students.